Nyuma warwaru aria mekinyitie thibitari-ini nene ya Naikuru kurigitwo murimu uria uri thiini wa kiongo giake na njira ya guthinjwo niguo kurutwo wimbo uria uri hakiri-ini. Urigiti uyu uri wa mwanya kuona ati murwaru athinjagwo akiiguaga kuona ndagonagio kaimana. Kuringana na ndagitari Samjiru uria ni mutaaramu wa guthinja kiongo, urigiti uyu uria uikane ta awake craniotomy ndukoretwo ukihuthika muno guku bururi-ini.
It's not possible to operate when the patient is fully anesthetized or fully asleep, because we need to be able to assess and see whether we are touching any critical areas. So in this particular case, we'll just use local anesthetic to do open brain surgery in this particular case.
Jiro akiuga manyitanire na arigitari a guthinja kiongo kuma University ya Egerton undu umwe na kuma bururi wa Canada, na haha magakorwo makihariria murwaru uri na wimbo hakiri-ini ciake.
But now we're saying with all this collaboration that we can actually invite the Indians to come and join us and teach us some of these surgical skills, and we share so that we give solutions closer to our people, as opposed to having our people going to foreign capitals where they incur great cost and sometimes there's no way to follow them up when they come back.
Dagitari akiuga utabania wa urigiti muthemba uyu uri na uhuthu ukiringithanio na guthinja mundu hindi iria ari mugonie, undu uria urakindirwo ni Dagitari Christine Gathiri uria ni mutaaramu wa kugonia arwaru.
We were able to detect or to note whether he was able to move his hand or his leg while the surgeons operated on his head, and we are happy because it went very well, and and we hope that we can be doing them more often.
Dagitari aya makiuga urigiti ta uyu ungihimbirio guku bururi-ini ni ukuhotithia kugwithia thogora wa urigiti na gicunje kinene. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo Waithira wa Kihara.